Hi, my name is Jason Dames with Radiance Videography. I wanted to start by telling you thank you for considering us for your future wedding video. You may be wondering what makes Radiance Videography different than most companies. Well, besides the fact that we take some of the most beautiful footage in the wedding industry, we're also able to take all the stress out of the decision-making process. We know that you have so many decisions to make for your special day, and we want to make choosing the right package easy and simple. You see, the way that most companies build their packages creates a lot of different decisions for you up front, like choosing 4K versus 1080, or whether you're going to have a second shooter or not, and drone footage is also additional, and the list goes on. At Radiance, we feel that this approach essentially pigeonholes you into making tough decisions on top of the ones that you already have to make. Your entire day is special to you, so it's really special to us as well. So no matter what package that you choose, we'll be there for the entirety of the day. You'll have a second shooter, and drone footage is also included with that. The reason that we can do this is that we build our packages on the edit side. So you have the choice between a 3 to 4 minute video, a 6 to 8, or a 10 to 12.
I think I cried.
This allows you to start with the basic package, and if you'd like to upgrade at any time, you have the choice to do so. We're excited about the possibilities of being a part of your special day, so make sure you reach out to us. If you have any questions, we'd love to be able to help answer those. Hope you have a great day, and God bless you.